I always love to view nature like this. The beautiful time when the sun is almost set, leaving a shadow of a thin line between light and darkness. People don't know, but I think it's the most beautiful part of any day. As much as I acknowledge such a thrilling sight, I think you are more beautiful than nature itself. Yeah, you heard me right. You are more beautiful than nature itself. Nature is just a reflection of the presence of me and you. Don't think less of yourself. It is your beauty that is radiating at the sun. It is your smile that makes the flower blossom. Don't think less of yourself. You are a champion. You are a king. You are a queen. You are a dominator. And your problems can't afford to wither your smile.